Spoon, your action figure aficionado here, giving you a tutorial on the battery installation and replacement for the Ghostbusters Blitzway 1/6 scale Proton packs. I just thought this would be a good way to give a little review and help out some people if they haven't tried doing this yet or were curious about this to begin with. Now this one I actually do have batteries installed in, so I'll just start out with a quick look at the Proton pack itself. Now there you can see, using the gray Raytheon knob, this rainbow ribbon coil, this is definitely designed to be a Ghostbuster 1 Proton pack instead of 2. Although not completely accurate, very, very well done as far as getting it as close as possible. I'm just trying to eye all the details that they put into this thing here, and it is phenomenal the way that the labels read. Now take a look at this hose here, and it is actually a metal coiled spring. Same with the hose that connects the tubing that connects the neutrino wand. Now here is an interesting one. The Spangler pack, which is the one I'm holding right now, has the hook, different hook than the other ones. The other ones would commonly snap in basically like this, so that way the handle to the neutrino wand is down. But the Spangler hook, they even did this reversed. The Spangler hook on this one snaps in, so that way actually the wand points up. Going back to more detail there. The bottom here, that's the actual activation switch for the LED lighting. Very well put together. One thing I've noticed in these is the ion arms can bend, could possibly break off fairly easy, I would imagine. I know I had one that got a little bent, and I was able to bend it back without cracking it, but I'm sure that that would be something that could happen along with the little hoses, and the green one and red one located there, not to mention some of the other parts on the pack here. It is very, very intricately crafted. And you have all the straps here. You can see all of the stitching that went into creating these things, and all the small details and parts, to the point where even they have the clasp, the waist clasp, that goes around your Ghostbuster when you actually have the pack on them. Alright. Giving you a little light show here. As you can see, the tip lights up, as well as the cyclotron and just the bar graph up there. Alright, let's turn it off. Maybe wondering why I got this screwdriver in my hand, but that's going to be key. Alright, the frame detaches from the pack. It's got two pegs in it, and you can kind of see them, one at the bottom and one at the top. And they don't necessarily snap the easiest in and out. I've done this to all 4 packs already. This one's giving me a little bit of trouble on the bottom there. All you really need is the top. Swivel it around. Now up here is your battery compartment. Very tiny screw. I recommend using a 1mm Phillips or 00, 000, something like that will fit. If you're trying to use a 2mm, it's going to be too large to get an adequate grip on that small little screw in there. All right. Then, for good measure, as you see what I have in there, just two 3-volt CR2032 batteries is all you need. Just put them in. They stack on top of one another. 2 little pegs up on the top there. Slide them in. This itty bitty screw. Get that sucker lodged back in there. And get your screwdriver ready to go again. Make sure it's nice and secure. Now this is using a peg actually very similar to the old pegs that they used in the Kenner Ghostbuster backpacks that were notorious for breaking. So I don't know if that was on purpose or just coincidence. And there you have it, folks. Blitzway's Proton packs for the 1/6 scale Ghostbuster figures. They are pretty darn neat things, I gotta say. Definitely better than the Matty ones overall that people might have or had. I'm Spoon, your action figure aficionado. Hopefully you found this tutorial interesting, or at least learned a little something about it. Catch you next time.